Understanding Artist Talk, a guide for language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English easy and fun for you. Today, we're going to discuss an interesting phrase that you might come across in the world of art and creativity. Artist talk. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a student, or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand what artist talk means and how you can use it. So, let's dive in and explore this phrase together. Artist talk refers to an event or a presentation where an artist speaks about their work or art in general. It's a valuable opportunity for artists to share their inspiration, process, and stories behind their creations. It's not just limited to painters. It can include sculptors, digital artists, photographers, and more. An artist talk can take place in various settings, such as galleries, museums, art schools, or even online platforms. The primary goal of an artist talk is for artists to connect with their audience. It's a platform for discussion and exchange of ideas. For learners like you, attending an artist talk can be a fantastic way to practice your listening skills, learn new vocabulary, and get insights into the cultural aspects of language. Now that you know what an artist talk is, let's see how to use the phrase in a sentence. 1. I went to an artist talk last weekend and learned about contemporary art. 2. The gallery is hosting an artist talk with a renowned painter next month. 3. During the artist talk, we got the chance to ask questions about the artist's creative journey. Using the phrase correctly will help you sound more fluent and knowledgeable when talking about art-related events. Understanding an artist talk can be challenging due to specialized vocabulary and conceptual discussions. Here are some tips. Prepare in advance by learning about the artist and their work. Look for a summary or a theme of the talk beforehand if available. Take notes during the talk to help you remember key points. Discuss the talk with others afterward to reinforce your learning. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of the phrase, artist talk, and added a new dimension to your English language journey. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about cultural experiences and real-life interactions. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.